Okay, so my disease is poison ivy. It is a type 4 hypersensitivity. So basically with poison ivy, it has a oil substance that's called urushiol here. And basically what it does is it comes into contact with your skin, and it binds with the proteins in the skin, and then it alters it. So then the immune system recognizes that something isn't right, that there is something foreign in the system. So then you have the antigen presenting cells that that come in, and they present this to the helper T cells that something foreign is going on in the body. So then the APC, these cells here, they then present a portion of the cell to the MHC class 2 receptors, which the T helper cells recognize, and they bind to those as well. The APC, it then releases cytokines that causes the T helper cells to differentiate what all is going on. Now, if you are allergic, when it gets to this part here, this is basically when the what we would call the allergic reaction would actually take place. So we then do a little recruitment deal, and we recruit the neutrophils and the macrophages. And what they do is they help eat up the remaining debris that was detected as foreign. And those killers, as they call them, they destroy the urushiol that was bound to the tissue. The only thing about that is the bad and the healthy cells are both damaged or eaten away in this. So then we lead up to our tissue damage, and where this tissue damage is taking place, this is where our symptoms come in, where your skin turns red. You may develop pus-filled blisters. Swelling may occur, and depending on how severe it actually is, you may also have difficulty breathing. And the reaction just kind of depends on your body. If you've been exposed to poison ivy before, or different other allergens going on. So treatment would actually be our corticosteroid or oral corticosteroids. What I found interesting is antihistamines don't actually stop the itching. It's like Benadryl. It just basically puts you to sleep to help you forget about the itching. Another topical solution was calamine lotion that you can rub on the skin to kind of help dry out those pus-filled blisters. Now, once you recognize that you've come into contact with poison ivy, what you can do is you can wash your skin with soap and water, and you want to do that within the first 10 minutes. Try to get those oily substances off of the skin. Any clothes that you had on, you want to go ahead and wash those immediately. After you've washed the skin and everything, you want to make sure that if there is anything visible on there, that you get all of that off. Now, poison ivy is called a type 4 hypersensitivity because it has a delayed response. So a reaction may not actually physically occur till about 24 to 72 hours after you physically come into contact with that poison ivy, which again is why I say when you realize you've come into contact, go ahead and wash and cleanse that skin immediately, because reactions may not occur immediately. All right, and that is about poison ivy.